Good wishes or any suggestion for Ardocom Media Group?
See, frankly, this is my the first interaction with your group, and I'm really impressed. Really impressed. The young people, the dynamism that I see, the effort that you have put in, it's excellent. And I wish all the best. All the best.
Yes, lastly I say that continue this kind of service for the society, for the education, to empowerment of the education, because this is a good job and I have been seeing you last 3 to 4 years, but today what you have done, it is a very praiseworthy. Thank you.
You can see that you people are growing very rapidly. Keep it up. God bless you all.
I am very happy that all of you have come from such a long distance and you are organizing such a lovely event. It's really good for the educationist. Educationists, they must be well promoted. And in other countries, the teachers are number one citizen. In Odisha or in our India, it's not there. Our teachers are also taking their own time whether they should continue in Odisha or they should go to Dubai or they should go to foreign country. That is the biggest problem now because respect is not there. Respect what we have to develop in our country. Then only the teachers will continue. They will love their profession. Profession, yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh yes, go on. Charaivati.
Correct.
Keep up the good work. I mean, I expect to see you guys more often in Orissa and Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, and also this is an event where I see that you are dealing with KG to PG. We have universities, we have schools, and we will look forward for something very, very specifically for schools, specifically for colleges. So in that case, what happens? Our focus is very agenda driven, and we are talking about our particular challenges and best practices. So. Yes, I see the vibrant team working here, so that's why the expectation, you have set a certain expectation. Now the expectation will be much higher, that you will do much better work than what you have done till now.
No sir, thank you very much. You have done all the subject clearly and you are connecting with the government policies as well as the basic objective of the education nowadays happening in Orissa. That is more important because we people know Eastern India is the hub of education. But at the same time we are lacking from the northern India and eastern western India. So we have to improve more, and I think your platform will give your teaching to everyone.
No, just keep doing this good work. Ardocom Media, I think, is doing tremendous work for the community, for the society, because getting so many people in one go, in one room, brings about a lot of synergies, brings about a lot of opportunities for future. So I think just keep doing the great work that you are into.
It was great having you in today's forum.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks for having me. Have a good day.
Ardocom Media, first of all, Pronita, you are very sweet. You have been updating us day to day, isn't it, regarding the updates of the program. You kept on reminding us, and I could see everybody so active and so positive. I wish best of luck to all.
Ardocom Media has thought of such an event, so we all are glad to attend this event, and thank you for inviting us. We have also informed so many of our colleagues. They are also coming here at different times, I suppose, because few are coming from Keonjhar, few are coming from Kalahandi, different parts of Odisha, and that's very nice, and the organizers are very good, and the hosting is very good. Everything is very good. So I like the total event. Thank you.
Sir, all the best, sir. Very good. You have to grow well, and automatically it will be useful to the entire society. Thank you.
No, I think you guys are really doing good job, right? And this particular event, I see last year also we participated in the same place, same venue, and again this year we are here, and we are able to see a lot of transformation for better, right? The kind of footfall, right? and the depth in those football, it is really enriching. That's something which is good. I think all the best to you so that it further improves in the next year. Right, thank you.
That thanks goes to you, Sanjeev sir, because you only supported and helped us enter the market with a smaller steps, and that helped us making this that smaller step in a much larger and a bigger domain. Thank you so much.
Adding to this particular point, so I would suggest you to at least keep that kind of event for other areas also, like Bihar, like Jharkhand, Assam and Calcutta also, because this is the kind of companies who can bring those customers here on a single forum and giving us an opportunity for us also to serve. So that is a message from all.
Sir, this is the best thing I have seen. So for you and to come regularly, I wish that I will meet you again and again and this year. So let's see you again in the next quarter at least.
ADOCOM, keep the good work going. In fact, I was approached by one of the members of ADOCOM. They were extremely clear about what they want to do, what they are doing, and I was impressed by that they didn't have anything to hide. They simply said, sir, this is our mission, this is our objective, now you want to become a part of it. So I said yes, and you please maintain this clarity, maintain this focus on people, and maintain low profit, more people concept.
Great advice and suggestions, sir. Thank you so much for witnessing this event, sir.
Thank you, Anand. And I was watching your picture on monitor, the older picture, where you had a beard. Grow it again, it suits you more. Thank you.